Hi guys, here at Balne Level Crossing in Yorkshire with Callow. Whew! Nice close. There's this Balne. No, this is just the Balne. Let's see, I've got the train going from this way. I haven't got a single timetable up yet. Time now 16:27 on Wednesday, the 12th of August 2015. Set now, shut up. Try and get the timetable up while we wait. But this crossing is something sort of a rare crossing. It has E2S alarms. Excuse me if I don't see the train. Can't type. We've got a green over there. It's coming on the near track. Oh, here she is. Have to go off when I'm not ready. Nope. Can't find a timetable. Today will not be focused on timetabling the head code, sorry. I'm here because I was lucky enough to stop here on the way home. There is also another crossing, I'm guessing down there, which is Balne Lane. Looks like an east. Just looks like an Adelante. Hard to tell from distance. Might be an East Coast there. She's still on Redcliffe, ain't got the one train. Big picture. Anyways, yep, we got an Adelante coming. Can't tell if that's Grand Centre or Hull. Or if that might even be cross country. No, this is cross country. I got that wrong on this line a little bit. And up they go. Thanks guys, in the next video.